Hey there, everyone. This morning we are on the Carnival Firenze. We are on deck 3 and we're looking at passenger cabins. So we're going to be looking at these cabins where they are in relationship to where we're standing, which is this forward elevator bank. Now, if you've never watched one of these types of videos of ours before, we cannot turn the camera to show you every number. If we did, well, you'd get seasick. So we're going to use, I'm going to use my fingers to point the numbers and call them out. Also, when you see your cabin, do us a favor, leave a comment below when you're sailing and that you saw your cabin, the cabin number, okay? 2347, sorry, 2247.
3247.
Oh my gosh, third time's the charm. 3247, 3245, 43, 41. This hallway's very narrow, guys. 39, 37. 35. There's a crew door right there. 33, crew door there. Is this really a crew door? Let's make sure. It is. That is not passenger. 31, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, crew door, 15, crew door. And there's more cabins up here. This is a crew area only, but that leads outside. Crew door there too. 11, there's a bit of a ramp there. 09, 07, 3205, 3203, 3201. And there's a little bit of a ramp there. It says this is an emergency exit area right here. All the way to the front of the ship, crossing over to the other side. 3202, 04, 06, 08, 3210, 12, ramp, couple crew doors. Let's just make sure they're not hiding something down here. We'll just double check for you guys. A couple crew areas. Nope, they're not hiding any cabins down here. This ship has got some inside cabins, so we have to be careful with some of these, well, what appear to be crew doors. Sometimes they're not. There's a crew door here, 3214, 16, 18, 22, 20, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, crew door, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. And that is it for the cabins on deck 3. So let us know again if you saw your cabin, if you're staying here on deck 3, and when you're sailing on the brand new, beautiful Carnival Firenze. Until we see you on the next deck or the next ship, be safe.